Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. Today I'm going to be reviewing Olivia by Wig Pro in two colors. Right now I am wearing Pine Cone, and we're also going to unbox it in 17101. I ordered both styles from Wig Studio One, and I'll leave them linked for you down below in the description box. I hope you stop over and follow us on our Facebook page as well as on Instagram. Olivia is new in the Wig Pro line. It's from their Bali collection, and I first saw this style on Taz's video. She reviewed it in two other colors. I will leave a link to her video listed down below for you as well in the description box. The ones that I have chosen, the first one, this one that I'm wearing, this is in Pine Cone, and the color code to Pine Cone is 62728. This color is right along in the same family as Toffee Truffle from John Renault. We have a medium brown, and then we have golden copper highlights. I specifically chose this color because I wanted to, this is a cool color that we're going to unbox, a cool brunette, and this is a warm brunette because, you know, we got to have one of each. I absolutely love this style. Let me tell you, if you are looking for an affordable piece with the left part, beautiful, impeccable lace front, very light fibers, light density, no permatease whatsoever. If you're a permatease girl, Olivia will not be for you. But if you don't like permatease, if you like very light density, if you're looking for something to throw on and go, this may be the style that you're looking for. Let me give you some measurements. On the front, it goes from 4 inches to 5 inches. So we do have that layering right here on the front. If you wanted to actually wear it with a bang, you can train it to wear it with a bang. Personally, I like it off the face and just with the little fringe right there. We have, the sides are 7 inches, but we do have some layering going on here. And as you can see, it almost appears as a feathered cut right along the jawline. And I think that is so pretty, so feminine, and I think it's so flattering too, hiding, at least on me, it hides all those imperfection after 60. The nape is 3.5, and we have a weight of a little bit over 3 ounces, so it's a very light piece. Overall, the length is about 13 inches. Very easy to wear. Just throw on and go. And as I mentioned, it's a very affordable piece. At Wig Studio One, they offer 30% off the regular price. So when I saw that, I said, yeah, okay, thank you. I'm going to get 2 of them. It appears to have a little bit of crimping right at the top. I'm not sure if the camera's going to be picking it up. But, you know, I saw it on Taz and I thought, oh my gosh, that is such a cute style. Let me show you Olivia on all sides. And the lace front is absolutely impeccable. It goes temple to temple. I really like that Wig Pro added those lighter fibers, those golden copper highlights to the front. Makes it so pretty and so realistic. We don't have any dark knotting there. As far as the fit, I did cinch this one in a little bit to accommodate my 21.5-inch circumference. I also have bio hair, and I am wearing a wig grip, if that could give you any indication of the fit for you. We have excellent coverage. Here is the ear tab, and here is my hairline. I think I mentioned that they are traditional fibers. These are not heat-friendly fibers, but they are just so fine they're dry, but they're very fine fibers. I think it looks really pretty. All right, let's open up 17101. Okay, we have that temple to temple lace front, and our left part, no permatease whatsoever. Felt covered ear tabs with the fibers added to the ear tabs, which I feel that provides a very realistic look if you're pulling your hair up. We have an extended nape, and we have Velcro adjusters and a nice stretch to the cap. I think that we can find these same features on wigs that are much more expensive. All right, let's take a look at this color. This is 17101, and we'll go outside and take a look at both colors. Wig Pro describes this color as a fade brown with ash blonde. I'm not sure what a fade brown is, to be perfectly honest with you, but what I see here in the brunette is a very light brunette, blended, evenly blended. We don't have chunky highlights or anything. It's just an evenly blended color. Very cool color. A very light brunette, and then a brunette that's just one step darker. Nothing dark about this wig whatsoever. As you can see, we have tremendous contrast here, and there is no root on this particular color. Still has the zigzag part. All right, these are the types of styles I like to wear, like when I'm just running around and want something that's no fuss. You can really see the layering on this one more than the darker one, than on Pinecone. Beautiful, beautiful color. Take a look at this lace front. Beautifully, beautifully done with the blending coming right to the lace front. A little bit more of the blonde right here. And it goes right to the temple. Nice transition to the cap. Excellent coverage, just like on Pinecone. I don't even know what to compare this color to. Maybe British milk tea from Beltress without the violet in it. That may very well be it. Wear it off the face. Definitely can tuck it. Oh, this is a really pretty style. Very cute, very easy to wear. I'll show you 17101 on all sides. My editing program doesn't allow me to place these outside videos side by side, so I'll insert a quick clip with one and a quick clip with the other. everyone. Please let me know what you think about Olivia. Let me know if you prefer Pinecone, the warm brunette, or if you prefer 17101, the cool color. I hope that everyone is having a fantastic day, and I'll see you next time. Bye.